Hey guys, so the fine folks at Viktos makes a ton of cool bags, tactical gear, clothing and stuff like that. We sell a ton of their stuff on the website. I thought it'd be fun to build out one of their Counteract Sling bags with a bunch of stuff that you can also get on the website as well. So we'll kind of open it up and just take a look at what I've got in here. Like I said, all this stuff you can find on the website for the most part. So pretty cool system. You grab this thing, open her up, and I've got my Glock here. So this is the baby Glock. Don't make fun of me. I like the baby Glocks. That's in here. It's fixed with their kind of hooky holster Velcro setup, and it's actually one of our Dara DCS concealed holsters as well. So that's fixed in there. I can grab that out, put it on my person, and I'm good to go there. I've got some other stuff kind of hiding away. I've got a couple of Hi-vis Chem Lights just for emergency signaling, stuff like that. And then kind of tucked back here, I've also just got our basic first aid kit. So this is all the basic stuff: Band-Aids, antiseptic, duct tape, some wrap, gauze pads, just the basics, kind of keep you up and going for normal minor emergencies. And then tucked away back in here as well, I've got some Clot. So we have a tool for making holes, so we also have a tool for plugging holes. Let's see. So that kind of sums up the top portion here. And then we've got this extra admin pocket at the bottom. And in here, I've got a couple things. I've got a cat tourniquet. I have a spare magazine, kind of tucked away with their included nylon, kind of stretchy webbing stuff. And then in here, I've just got random EDC kind of things. So I've got some tape here. I've got my spare batteries for some stuff that I carry. Extra fire starter stuff. So I like to be redundant. I've got this one and a lighter as well. Got a Sharpie. You never know when you can use a Sharpie. And then some extra batteries as well, like watch batteries. So these are the 2032s. And that's kind of it. On the sides, just got a little admin light. This bag is nothing crazy. This isn't a super high-speed tactical kit, right? This is kind of a day pack. So I've just got a little admin light. This is the Streamlight Microstream. These are available on the site. And then I've also just got the little charger that goes with that as well, because they are the USB lights. These bags are pretty cool. Just a short, simple sling bag from Viktos. We have a host of their other bags as well. They have a slightly larger one, and then they have their backpacks and stuff as well that are really great. We're really excited about the Viktos stuff. So check this one out. This is the Counteract Sling bag in FDE. If you have any questions about the Viktos bags, just give us a shout. DaraHolsters.com.